Welcome, here I've got Oppo A72 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera gridlines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it. And as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to more advanced options. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the right corner. And it gives us access to 4 other buttons. For now we are interested in this one from the right. By tapping on this we get access to advanced camera settings. And now we have to slide a little bit down to the photo settings. As you can see here at the third position we have the grid. So by using this button we can easily turn it on and turn it off like that. So this is how it works here. For now let me keep this turn it on to show you how it looks like on the camera preview. So let's go back to the camera. And as you can see, it generates as these lines. This is helpful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography and making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, they are only to help us to taking better photos. So let me take a photo. And now let's go here to the left corner at the bottom. By tapping on this we get quick access to the gallery, and this is the picture. As you can see, the grid lines are not visible here. So let's go to the camera, and of course when we don't need it we can easily turn it off by going again to this button from the right, tapping on this and sliding to the photo settings and tapping on the grid here. And as you can see, for now it's gone. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave that thumbs up.